Welcome to the EndoSafe NextGen PTS virtual demonstration. The EndoSafe NextGen PTS is a portable endotoxin detection system that utilizes FDA-licensed EndoSafe LAL cartridges for fast, quantitative, and accurate endotoxin results. In addition to your NextGen PTS reader, to begin testing, you will need a calibrated, fixed-volume 25 microliter pipetter, pipette tips certified to be endotoxin-free, your sample or LAL reagent water, and EndoSafe cartridges with the certificate of analysis. Please allow your cartridges to come to room temperature before removing them from the pouch. The system will perform a self-test and will take approximately 5 minutes to reach the appropriate 37 degrees Celsius. If user management is turned on, please enter your username and password. Remove your cartridge from its pouch. Take care to touch only the handle or edges of the cartridge. Once the cartridge is fully removed, touch only the handle end of the cartridge, not the sample wells, and place it firmly in the slot of the reader with the wells facing up. A series of prompts will appear for you to enter the information necessary to run the assay. Using the touchscreen, enter values for each field, clicking Next until all fields are complete. Include cartridge lot number, cartridge calibration code, sample ID, sample lot number, dilution factor, and endotoxin limit if applicable. Please review all entered information is correct before selecting Next. After confirming your information, you are now ready to add your sample. Once the necessary values are entered, the reader will display a prompt to add sample to cartridge. Carefully pipette 25 microliters of sample into each of the 4 sample reservoirs of the inserted cartridge. To do so, hold the pipette so that the tip is at an angle and not completely at the bottom of the sample reservoir. Select Done, Start Test on the touchscreen after all 4 wells have been filled. For reliable results, it is important that you pipette the sample correctly. You need exactly 100 microliters of sample before the test is started. Do not under or overfill the well, and do not pipette straight up and down. It is best to pipette at an approximate 45-degree angle, not touching the bottom of the well. Also, be careful not to create bubbles when adding the sample. Be sure not to touch the sample wells on the cartridge. Test results will appear on the screen when the assay is complete. You can send this data to a network printer, Zebra printer, download to Charles River Cortex, or save to a USB drive. It's as simple as that. The EndoSafe NextGen PTS is a rapid, point-of-use system providing accurate, convenient, and real-time endotoxin testing right at the point of sample collection. Discover how the NextGen PTS can improve sample management, decrease testing time, and accelerate your product production at www.criver.com/NextGen-PTS. If you should have questions or need further training and support, please contact our team of experienced specialists at endosafe-support@crl.com.